Hi everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping in and spending some time with me today. My box came in this outer packaging, which I like that. And this is the P Louise budget beauty box that you can get. Kind of expensive, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I would try it for a few months and see what I thought. And I'm just trying to, these are sealed so well. I don't even know if I can pull it. Once you can get it started, you can open it. There we go. So we can see what's inside this. This is expensive. I think it's like, you know, I don't know, $18 shipping and handling because it comes, you know, international for me. And, you know, it is what it is. It's a box that, you know, I've been wanting to try. So let's see what we have in here. A little sneak peek into the box. You know, kind of pricey, but you can get it every month if you want. Let's see, what is all this? Nice. So we have 3 items. First one is right here. I don't know what this is. Let's open it and find out. Oh my goodness. Look. What are these? Did I open it wrong? I don't think so. Are these lip liners? They might be. Yeah, these are all lip liners. Let's take them all out and see. Ooh, exciting. All these lip liners? And I love using a lip liner for an all-over lipstick. And these have little Velcro tabs on it so you can save your packaging. So here's all the shades right here. You can see. I'm going to swatch one. They're all neutrals, which is perfect for me. So I'm just going to pick one right here and see. And it is a pencil that you can sharpen. And let's, oh, that is nice and creamy. Oh, I love the color. And I would use that for an all-over lip and then just put a gloss on. And I would use it for a liner. Oh, that's nice. I'm so excited. We got all those. How many do we get? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 of them. 10 lip liners. I'm just going to put them back in there. That's beautiful. Here we have this right here, a makeup set. I don't know what this is. Huh. Let's see. I love this little tag here that you could, like, technically, like, hang over a door, which is cute. Packaging is everything. Oh, this has got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Oh, exciting. I love their packaging. So here we have a pair of lashes, After Hours. That I won't use, but that's nice. Here we have a glitter liner duo. I know we got duos before. I might share these just because I did keep the other ones. I do think I did keep the other ones. Okay. Let's see what this looks like. So there's 2, like a bronzy brown and then like a gold. Nice. Happy for that. What is this? Living for the Night Shadow Palette. Okay. Okay, I didn't think, you know, do we get a palette in every box? I don't know. It's only my second box. Living for the Night, right here. All neutrals. How does that come off? Right there. Some darks, but coming for the fall, winter, that's perfect. I love the stamps in them. Oh, I like that. Some nice dark browns. Exciting. Put that back in there. Put that back in there. Then I don't know what this is. Play your cards right. Queen of Hearts. I don't know. They're sealed. Let's open up and see. Exciting. I have some other filming to do. I might do it later today. I have Ice Cream Beauty Box, Stitch Fix. I have IPSY bags here. That's this. How does this open? This is how I trash my nails, because trying to open like I just did. Oy. They don't make it easy to get in these. Let me see if I can use my blade to help me out here. I can't get in this. Oh, there you go. You just have to press on it. Oh. I can't get in it. Okay, I'm going to figure this out one way or another. It's like it's... Oh, that was not good. Hopefully nothing broke. I cannot figure out how to get in this. Why do they have to complicate this so much? I don't have the strength in my... Oh, I just did that. Ugh. Okay, so we have... Let's just press that back down. I just stuck my nails in it. Looks like we have a lip palette. As you can see, I just got it all over the place. That's exciting. Let me see some of these colors. Some reds. What are these? Like brown? Like a purpley brown. Oh, that's nice. And my finger got stuck in that one. So I can smooth that back down. And that's definitely a red. Now I got to get some wipes. So that's interesting right there. I would love it. Whoa. Oh my goodness. I cannot hold this today. I don't want to get lipstick all... Oh, here we go again. I am not faring well with this today. So that's what that looks like. Trying to do it so I don't get lipstick all over the place. I would have preferred different colors. More normal neutrals. But some of them won't be too bad. You can mix and match. I'm excited for this one because it's like a purpley. That's definitely red. And you know what? Some of these could probably be a nice little blush. Now that one is super like red and pink. The one that I dug my nail into. But you could go... Now I'm just keep on moving it around my hand. But that could be, you know, it blends out nice. That could be a nice little blush too. If you know, you just have to go light, obviously. You can see some of the shades here. I'm excited for that. I'm angry that I stuck my nail in there trying to get in. I don't know why they make these things so difficult to open. But that's my P Louise box for this month. I love the lip liners. The palette is okay. The lip palette, I wish it was the tones that I love, and I know they can't please everyone, but to do like bright, and this has a cover on it. See, one side had a shield on it, one side did not, so I don't want to pop that other side off. To do light colors coming into the fall, I would prefer that that was all dark. I don't mind the palette and the eyeliner, so this is not bad. Kind of expensive, and it wouldn't be expensive if there wasn't almost $20 shipping. $18 to ship it, that's a lot. So let me know your thoughts on this. I enjoy this very much. I love a good lip palette. And that you can mix some of the darker ones. Like I said, you know, some of the ones that are super bright for lips, which you could still use, you could use for blush over here and just do it real light and blend it out. That would make a beautiful blush. I mean, I'm not angry at that at all. But some of these, you know, like I said, would be real pretty. I want to try that one again, just to see. See, now that's a real light, that would be a pretty blush. Really would, because it's light. I mean, your lips and your blush could match, because you could go darker on your lip, and then lighten it up a little bit for blush. I mean, it's a cream, you know, just set it with a powder. I think that would be nice. I'm excited to try some of these. You know, I will get one more box to see what we think. I know it's always going to be expensive, but, you know, beautiful packaging. That's part of the whole draw, I guess. And, you know, we'll see what next month brings. I'm happy that it's a smaller palette instead of a huge palette. And I love that we got 10 lip liners. Right there, it's worth it for me. And then the lip palette. So... What's your favorite product? I would say the lip liners for sure. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful day. And let me go get all this off my fingers, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.